Good morning, this is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 1st of July. My disclaimer, it is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing and learn from it, transfer your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ctmcrypto.substack.com. It's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, where we now have really a fantastic buy setup. This is so nice. It's only the only thing that's wrong with it is we haven't actually retested the lows on Solana and Ethereum, but we do. But this is Bitcoin is the big dog here. We've got positive divergence in the RSI2, though we don't have it on the RSI5 or the RSI14. We've got a lovely nested double bottom set up here. I don't think this is the bear market low, although it is a potential contender. But this is just peachy. This is very nice. You've got a little double bottom here. We've got a little double bottom here. We've got a big double bottom here. That big double bottom I'm not thinking is going to play out here. I'm not convinced this bear market's going to take this a lot lower, but I am wondering about 49k to 50k. And this is just nice. We had an RSI 14 buy signal brewing. We had a retest of this low overnight, so we've now got a possible daily RSI 5 buy signal brewing. This is a pretty sweet setup. And honestly, if I was thinking of sort of averaging into the lows or just to play what is likely to be a decent rally, well, this looks like a buy here. It's only marred by the fact that it doesn't look like a buy yet on either Solana or Ethereum. All right, looking at the hourly chart, no current divergence. Nice retest of the lows there. The smallest double bottom here is sustained break over 60.8k. Gets us a move up into about the 63.6, about 64k area. It's nice. It really is nice. And I think we probably are going to see that rally. Looking at Solana, we've got a possible week's RSI 14 buy signal brewing on the weekly chart, or on the weekly RSI 14. Nice looking potential double bottom here too. Not a nested double bottom because we haven't made it back into the retest of the latest low, and for that reason we don't have any RSI 14 buy signals brewing here, and we're not going to get any because we've gone too high with this bounce here, which has taken us back up to the 50 MA, and that has eliminated the possibility that we're going to get a buy signal. If we retested the low first, we would have had a pretty nice looking RSI 14 buy signal brewing. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence. In terms of the bigger picture, we've got a potential platform pattern here, but currently this looks like a bear flag, and this is the slight weakness in the Bitcoin setup. It looks very, very nice, but this looks like a bear flag. In terms of what kind of bear flag that might be, I drew in 2 trend lines here. Still hasn't reached the lower one, although it came very close to it, but not actually, for my purposes, quite close enough. But if it goes beyond that, I'm wondering about a move up into this trend line here, currently in about the 81.3 area. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum, no divergence on the weekly chart either. We have not got back to the retest of this low here at 1505.30. Do we have a double bottom here? Yes, that arguably is a double bottom. It's not one on positive divergence. Had we retested, we'd have positive divergence on the RSI 14, we'd have it on the RSI 5, and we'd have a very nice looking buy setup here, like we have, very similar to the one we've got on Bitcoin. As it hasn't retested, we've got a weakened double bottom and no positive divergence, but we will see. It's close enough to be a double bottom though, so if we were to see a sustained break up over 1848, this would have a target in about the 2200 area, and that is a possibility. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence. Right. But as you can see, we never quite made it back into the retest of this low, so we don't have the beautiful setup that we've got on Bitcoin. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions. Nope, no questions. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. All right, cheers.